Are you ready to delve into Italian superstition? Cominciamo. Don't sit in a corner if you're single. It will bring bad luck. This is logic at work. Sitting in the corner limits interactions with others at the table. A corner sitter only has 3 conversational chances, reducing their chatting options by 40%. Never cross arms when shaking hands. Crossing arms brings bad luck and feels awkward and uncomfortable. Never sweep over someone's feet or have someone sweep over yours. If they do, you will never get married. To reverse the curse, you have to spit on the broom. Don't whistle indoors. Whistling indoors attracts evil spirits. This superstition possibly originates from ancient times because the whistling sound is similar to the sound the wind makes. Don't place your hat on a bed. Italian superstition often involves symbols of death. This comes from the past when priests visiting people on their deathbeds would take their hats off and put them on the bed. If you do, you are suggesting an imminent death. Eating lentils on New Year's Eve brings good luck. It is said that because lentils look similar to Roman coins, eating them brings prosperity in the year to come. Avoid seating 13 at the dinner table. This superstition is rooted in Christian belief and the Last Supper, where 13 guests were present before the crucifixion of Jesus. This leads to the belief that 13 guests at a table brings very bad luck. Wear red underwear on New Year's Eve. Red underwear on New Year's Eve is a must, as it is believed to protect against the evil eye and bring good luck. Beware of black cats. In 1233 AD, Pope Gregory IX declared that black cats were the companions of witches and devils, leading to the killing of black cats. During the Middle Ages, people believed that black cats were witches in disguise or sent by witches to spy on humans. Don't go to Poveglia Island. Many Italians fear Poveglia Island. Public access to the island is banned. Maybe this is because the island was a quarantine station during the Black Plague and then served as a mental hospital. Don't take a bath when you're sick. Italians believe that taking a bath when sick will make you sicker. Many Italians avoid this major no-no to this day. 17 is an unlucky number. The number 17 is seen as unlucky. The superstition about the number 17 comes from the Roman numeral, which can be rearranged to spell vixi, which means I have lived, a phrase associated with death. Drop a comment below to let me know which one you found the most interesting or surprising. Contact us for more information.